Hello, welcome to Swagger Swoon. My name's George and I'm going to show you how to tie the Half Windsor Knot. Now this is a really lovely knot to tie. I think it's one of my favourites because you get a really nice symmetrical knot, but it's actually not that difficult to do. When you're starting though, what you do want is probably quite a lot more length on your wider end here than you normally would. So for sort of a simple tie, you might start about here. You actually want quite a little bit more of this length down this side here. So once you have that one in place, you want to cross the long end of your tie over the short end and then wrap it round underneath like so. If you then bring your point down through your neckline and out the other side like this, this then gives you the basis of your triangle for your knot. That one can be wrapped over the front before coming up out the middle and then back down through that knot there. So tighten up the knot using the front panel like so until you're happy, and then up and down towards the top button you tighten using the back one there. You can then pop your collar down like that. And as you can see, that's a really nice shaped knot. It's not too bulky, but it's still holding its shape there. And that's the Half Windsor tie knot.